GoHighLevel for law firms. It's not just another marketing tool. It's actually one of the easiest way to manage clients, collect lead and handle your entire client intake process all from the one place. But how does it work and why are so many law firms switching to it? In this video, I will explain everything in a simple way so by the end, you will know exactly how GoHighLevel can make your client management faster and smoother. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description for the GoHighLevel 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link and grab the offer and let's get back to the video. So first of all, what exactly is GoHighLevel? It's an all-in-one platform that helps you to collect lead, automate the message, manage your client and track every part of your business, all from one dashboard. For law firms, that means no more juggling multiple tools like forms, spreadsheet or the CRM. Everything stays organized in one clean system. Now let's talk about the client intake, which is the first and the most important step for any law firm. When a potential client reaches out, you need to collect their detail, schedule a consultation and follow up quickly. GoHighLevel makes that whole process automatic. First, you can create the custom intake forms that ask for the exactly what you need, like name, phone, the case type and preferred contact method. So you can embed these forms on your website, landing pages, or even you can share them through your email or text. So as soon as someone fills out a form, their data is saved inside the GoHighLevel automatically. Next, the platform can send the automatic follow-up. So if a potential client fills out a form but doesn't reply, GoHighLevel can send them a text or email reminder. This keeps your leads warm without you lifting a finger. Then let's come to the appointment scheduling. Lawyers spend hours of time for booking the consultations. But with GoHighLevel's built-in calendar, clients can book a meeting directly at their preferred time. It syncs with your schedule and even sends the reminders to both sides. That means fewer no-shows and smoother scheduling. Another big advantage is the CRM. You can track where every client is in the process from new inquiry to signed contract. You will see who is ready for call, who needs a follow-up and who is waiting for documentation. So no more guessing or losing the clients in messy spreadsheets. GoHighLevel also includes the email and the SMS automation. For example, you can set up the automation like for the thank you for reaching out message right after someone fill out a form. Or you can send the reminders for upcoming consultations or case updates. It's like having a digital assistant that never forgets. And here is something law firms really love, that is pipeline. You can visually see every stage of your client, like their journey for your new lead, consult scheduled, the contract sent, or the client signed. So you can just drag and drop your clients as they move through the process. It's super clear and easy to manage. Now let's talk about why this matters. Most law firms lose their leads because of the slow response or maybe the poor follow-up. Now GoHighLevel fixes that by automating the communication and the organizing everything in one place. It saves time, reduce your stress and help you to close more clients with less effort. So what's the final verdict? If you are a law firm or a legal professional who wants to handle leads and clients efficiently, GoHighLevel is a game changer. So you can try GoHighLevel for free by using the link from the description and you can get some special offers also. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.